What if your next car didn't just last a while, but outlived every other car on the road? Some cars hit 100,000 miles, but the ones on this list, they cruise past 300,000 miles without blinking, with some going beyond 500,000 miles. We're counting down 17 cars so tough, they've become legends. And at the very end, I'll show you a forgotten model that quietly racks up insane mileage, without fancy tech or hype. Let's dive in. Starting at number 19 is the Toyota Camry. Other mid-size sedans have come and gone, but the Camry just keeps rolling. Take the 2023 Toyota Camry, for example. It's not flashy, but it's unstoppable. Under the hood, you get a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine with 203 horsepower, or, if you want more punch, a 3.5-liter V6 with 301 horsepower. Smooth, efficient, and built to last. The 8-speed automatic transmission and front-wheel drive keep the ride effortless. The fuel economy is outstanding. Expect up to 28 miles per gallon in the city and 39 miles per gallon on the highway. That's miles and miles of worry-free driving. And let's talk safety. Toyota packs in Toyota Safety Sense, which means lane departure alerts, pre-collision braking, and more. It's got your back. But the real magic? Low maintenance, high endurance. With proper care, the Camry can hit 600,000 plus miles. Some cars give up. The Camry just keeps going. Next up at number 18 is the Honda Accord. This car is Camry's toughest rival and is historically comparable in most respects. It doesn't just last, it thrives, and the 2018 to 2022 Honda Accord is no exception. Owners report their Accords cruising past 300,000 miles, still running strong. No powertrain failures, cold AC, and impressive fuel economy, averaging 34 miles per gallon. That's efficiency and reliability in one package. What's the secret? Bulletproof engineering. Honda's engines are built to go the distance, with components that refuse to wear out. Some owners only replace a clutch at 200,000 miles and maybe a radiator. That's it. The car is not just about lasting long, it's about lasting well. The Accord looks sharp, drives smooth, and stays comfortable. Its roomy cabin, smart tech, and great fuel economy make it a dream for any driver. Coming in the 17th position is the Lexus LS400. While most luxury cars struggle with reliability, this one just won't give up. Launched in 1989, the LS400 shattered expectations, blending bulletproof durability with first-class comfort. It wasn't just another fancy sedan, it was a machine built to outlive trends, outlast rivals, and keep rolling for decades. By 1999, the LS400 had reached near perfection. Consumers gave it a 4.9 over 5.0 rating, calling it unstoppable. The 4.0-liter V8 engine under the hood is where the magic happens. This car doesn't break down, and it doesn't demand constant repairs. Owners rarely face major issues, even after hundreds of thousands of miles. Auto journalist Matt Farah pushed his LS400 past 1 million miles, and it still purred like new. Newer models like the LS460, 2010 to 2012, fixed minor past issues, making them even more durable. But the LS400 had already proven itself. Other luxury cars age and fail. The LS400 keeps driving, mile after mile, decade after decade. At number 16, we have the 4Runner. It's more capable off-road than almost any SUV, except for a few tough competitors like Jeeps. While other SUVs have become more car-like, the 4Runner stays true to its rugged roots, ready for anything. Overall, the 4Runner is one of the most reliable vehicles ever made, ranking in the top 5 for cars that last over 300,000 miles. Its design has stayed largely unchanged, and that's a good thing. All the bugs have been worked out, and it's now more durable. The 4Runner takes all situations. It's perfect for camping trips, dirt roads, and anything that requires toughness. It's already a powerhouse, but you can make it even more capable with mods like bigger tires and lifts. One owner shared their story. Their 4Runner lasted 14 years and 285,000 miles. It's still running strong. That's money well spent. The 4Runner is built for the long haul. It's designed to keep driving, no matter where the road takes you. By the way, if saving thousands on repairs sounds good to you, hit like and subscribe for more cars that just don't quit. Let's keep moving. Number 15 is the Mazda 6. From 2012 to 2022, it earned praise for its reliability, especially in the 2015 to 2021 models. The Mazda 6 has a 2.5-liter engine that gets up to 35 miles per gallon on the highway. It doesn't just last, it's efficient too. The turbocharged version gives you 250 horsepower, showing you don't have to sacrifice performance for reliability. A 6-speed automatic transmission keeps the shift smooth, helping the car stay strong for the long haul. And with a high-strength steel frame and safety features like blind spot monitoring and lane departure warnings, the Mazda 6 is built to take on life's challenges without breaking down. The 2014 Mazda 6 did have some reported issues like transmission noise and overheating, but the 2015 to 2021 models are a whole different story. They've earned top reliability scores from Consumer Reports, NHTSA, and CarComplaints.com. These models can easily hit 200,000 miles with proper care, and some may even make it to 600,000 miles. Number 14 is the Subaru Legacy. It's built for endurance, packed with features that help it keep going, year after year. Let's start with its signature all-wheel drive system. Rain, snow, mud, no problem. This car keeps moving, no matter what's underneath. The engine and drivetrain are rock solid. Even when the body starts to age, the powertrain still holds strong. The 3.0-liter flat-six engine in the 2004 Legacy pushes out 245 horsepower, and it's as tough as it is smooth. The 2005 to 2009 models are standout picks. They offer tight handling, good fuel economy, and fewer problems over time. Yes, head gasket issues can pop up, but they're fixable. Take care of that, and this car's ready for the long haul. With regular maintenance, the Legacy becomes a workhorse that refuses to quit. Even newer models like the 2016 and 2017 versions score high for dependability. The Legacy isn't flashy, but it's built to outlast the competition. Taking the 13th position is the Land Cruiser. The Land Cruiser is Toyota's flagship, and they treat it like royalty. Everything on it is overbuilt, overtested, and engineered to keep going when others give up. From the 100 series, 1998 to 2007, to the bulletproof 200 series, 2008 to 2021, Land Cruisers have earned a global reputation for lasting well past 300,000 miles, with many hitting $1 million. And they do it without drama. It has a powerful V8 engine, full-time four-wheel drive, and a suspension system designed to tackle any terrain. It's smooth on the highway, but tough enough to survive in the world's harshest environments. The frame is rock solid, and the drivetrain is nearly indestructible. Despite all that muscle, it still delivers a quiet, comfortable ride. Yes, it's pricey, but owners don't buy it for the flash. They buy it because it won't let them down, even after decades of use. At number 12, we have the Honda Odyssey. The car has been a family favorite for decades. It's not just roomy, it's ridiculously reliable. Year after year, it ranks high in customer satisfaction, and it doesn't quit, even after the odometer rolls past 200,000 miles. Under the hood, Honda keeps things simple and strong. The V6 engine is efficient and easy to maintain. The transmission is built to last. Plus, you've got smart tech and safety features that make every drive feel confident and secure. This minivan is more than just practical. It's solid, dependable, and it's built to take on the daily grind, road trips, and everything in between. According to RepairPal, Honda gets a 4 out of 5 for reliability, and the Odyssey keeps annual maintenance costs under $500. That means fewer surprise visits to the shop and more money in your pocket. Number 11 is the Mazda Miata. Since 1989, it's earned a reputation for being fun, lightweight, and, most importantly, built to last. Owners swear by it. Some even keep theirs for over 200,000 miles, and it still runs like clockwork. What makes it so tough? The Miata keeps things simple. It has a naturally aspirated engine, a lightweight chassis, and a nearly bulletproof manual transmission. The NC generation, especially the 2006 to 2015 models, is known for rock-solid build quality. Repairs are rare. When they do pop up, parts are cheap and easy to find. According to RepairPal, the Miata scores a 4.0 out of 5 in reliability, with yearly repair costs under $450. That's lower than most cars, let alone sports cars. And let's not forget, this car is fun. Toss it into a corner, and it just dances. No drama, no breakdowns, just smiles for miles. Want more fun, reliable cars that won't quit? Check out the 13 most fun cars under $10,000 for more exciting, dependable rides. In the 10th spot is the Ford F-150. It's been America's best-selling truck for decades, and for good reason. This vehicle doesn't flinch under pressure. It tows, hauls, and takes a beating without falling apart. Starting with the 2011 and 2012 models, Ford introduced the EcoBoost V6. It gave drivers more power and better fuel efficiency in one tough engine. It's still one of the most reliable setups on the market. Fast forward to the 2018 and 2019 models. Ford added aluminum body panels. That means less weight, better fuel economy, and no rust. Underneath, the 3.5-liter EcoBoost V6 keeps things strong. It's known for lasting high miles with fewer issues. No drama, no breakdowns, just steady performance. At number 9 is the Toyota Corolla. For decades, it's been the go-to sedan for anyone who wants a car that just keeps going. This isn't hype, it's proven. The 9th gen and 11th gen models are especially praised for being rock solid. The Corolla ranks high in reliability, stays low on maintenance, and barely makes a dent in running costs. It's got a smooth ride, solid fuel economy, and a suspension that just glides. But what really keeps the Corolla from quitting is what's under the surface. Toyota doesn't guess when building cars. They study part failures and engineer out the weak spots. The result is a car that holds up forever. Even the brand name parts last longer. So yes, they may cost more, but you'll buy them far less often. In places like Bangkok or Tokyo, almost every taxi is a Corolla. Why? Because they run on and on, many with over 1 million miles. That's not a myth, it's the Corolla way. Number 8 is the Grand Cherokee. This vehicle doesn't just drive, it endures, especially the first-generation models. The engine doesn't quit, it just keeps ticking. The Grand Cherokee adds comfort to that toughness. Its 4.7-liter engine can push 350 to 500,000 miles before calling it quits. The only common hiccup is hydraulic lifters that gum up every 100,000 miles. But here's the thing, it's a simple DIY fix. Modern Cherokees, like the 2018 model, come packed with safety tech and powerful engine options. They're smooth on the highway and beasts on the trail. This SUV is all about balance, comfort, capability, and serious staying power. Number 7 is the Nissan Skyline. Built like a tank but tuned like a race car, the Nissan Skyline was made to take a beating and keep on going. Among its various model years, the R32, R33, and R34 generations stand out as particularly noteworthy. At the heart of this beast is a twin-turbo inline-6 engine that pushes over 600 horsepower, and it does so effortlessly. That kind of power often comes with a price, but the Skyline handles it like a pro. No sweat, no fuss. So what makes it so tough? It's all in the design. The drivetrain is rock solid, while the suspension is razor sharp for precise handling. The cooling system? It keeps everything running cool, even when you're pushing it to the limit. Massive brakes give you total control at high speeds, and the aerodynamic body is built to cut through the air while taking a beating. It's no wonder racers trust it, and collectors swear by it. Whether it's the street, the track, rain, or shine, the Skyline doesn't quit. Next up at number 6 is the Honda Civic. It's the kind of car that shows up, rain or shine, without a single complaint. From 2006 to 2009, Honda was clearly on a roll. Those models hit the sweet spot, built with precision, free of drama, and barely needed a mechanic. But the real MVP is the 2000 Honda Civic. That model is the Iron Man of the lineup. Part of the 6th generation, it was engineered to last longer than your favorite pair of sneakers. These Civics age in reverse. You'll find them still zipping around like it's their first day off the lot. Under the hood, everything just works. The engine is bulletproof and the transmission is butter smooth. The suspension feels tight, even years down the road. There are no gimmicks, no frills, just solid, no-nonsense engineering that keeps going. Sure, the newer Civics come with more tech and flash, but when it comes to pure, old-school grit, nothing beats the classics. Number 5 is the Toyota RAV4. It's built tough, drives smooth, and lasts forever with just the basics: oil, tires, brakes, repeat. The real hero is the engine. From 2009 onward, Toyota introduced the 2.5-liter 2ARFE, a smart upgrade over the old 2.4-liter. It came with dual VTI tech and a stronger design, solving the earlier oil consumption issues. This engine runs clean, pulls strong, and stays cool under pressure. But if you want a little kick, go for the 3rd-gen V6. It's a sleeper hit. Quiet, fast, and bulletproof. It'll win your heart and outlast your expectations. There's no bad year in the 4th gen. That's how consistent Toyota got with this model. Just do your fluid changes, rotate the tires, and it'll rack up miles like a champ. The RAV4 isn't flashy, but that's not the point. It's reliable, rugged, and ready for anything. Daily commutes, weekend adventures, or long road trips, this SUV handles it all without breaking a sweat. In the 4th position, we have the Lincoln Town Car. It's a leather-wrapped tank wearing a tuxedo. The Lincoln Town Car rolls deep with V8 confidence and the kind of presence that makes potholes apologize in advance. Built on the legendary Panther platform and packing the bulletproof 4.6-liter Ford modular engine, it doesn't just last, it thrives. We're talking 250,000-plus miles, like it's just warming up. Maintenance is light. Parts? Cheap and everywhere. Because when millions of Crown Vics and Grand Marquis share your bones, staying alive is easy. Sure, it's not built for drag races, but who cares? This thing isn't here to sprint. It's here to cruise into the sunset in style without ever asking for help. It floats like a cloud, and its suspension eats rough roads for breakfast. Call it old school cool with unshakable stamina. This one doesn't just endure, it owns the road. Number 3 is the Mercedes-Benz E-Class, W124. Built from 1984 to 1995, this car wasn't made to impress. It was made to outlive everything else on the road. Engineered during Mercedes' golden age, the W124 is the result of obsessive overdesign. You can feel it in every panel, every click of the door, every mile it swallows without complaint. Some models have cruised past 500,000 miles like it's just a weekend getaway. Whether you pick the gas or the famously unkillable diesel variant, the W124 was built to take abuse and keep gliding. It's not flashy, but it's brutally competent. Even the high-performance 500e, tuned in partnership with Porsche, shares this unshakable DNA. Yet even the humble base models offer the same ironclad backbone and rock-solid engineering. Today, it's a smart way to get classic Mercedes luxury without classic headaches. Quiet, confident, and unbothered by time. Our runner-up is the Chevrolet Suburban. This full-size SUV has hauled families for generations, and it's still going strong. Under the hood, you've got options. A 3.0-liter Duramax turbo diesel for long hauls, a 5.3-liter V8 for balance, or a 6.2-liter V8 if you want muscle. No matter the engine, it's tuned for strength and stamina. Fold the seats down, and you get 144.7 cubic feet of cargo room, enough to carry your life and a bit more. The diesel version even gives you up to 27 miles per gallon on the highway. Looking for a Suburban that's built to last? Go for the last year in a generation. These models often have the bugs worked out, and the 2024 version brings solid performance and tech with an 8.9 out of 10 rating from J.D. Power. This beast doesn't stop. It rolls through road trips, soccer games, and towing duties like it's nothing. One of the hardest working SUVs you'll ever meet. Finally, in the first spot is the Toyota Sequoia. Since it hit the scene in 2000, the Toyota Sequoia has earned a rock-solid reputation. Especially the 2009 and up models, which smoothed out past bumps and added power and refinement. The 2024 Beast scores an impressive 80 out of 100 in reliability, putting it up there with Toyota's most trusted names, right beside the Yaris and Prius. But unlike those smaller rides, the Sequoia brings serious size and strength to the table. Its engine is built for endurance, often crossing 300,000 miles with ease. Annual maintenance is just $642, fair for a full-size SUV. And only 15% of issues are ever considered major. Built tough, rides smooth, and keeps the family safe. The Sequoia goes the distance and crushes it with quiet confidence. Whether you're running errands or crossing states, this SUV doesn't back down. It sticks around, and it never quits. So if you want a ride that sticks like a loyal dog and never flinches, this is your list. Craving more near-flawless machines? Check out our next video, 19 best and most reliable luxury cars to own after warranty.